Hello, are you in need of air duct cleaning fast? In fact, are you in need of some urgent air duct cleaning services? Well, you've come to the right place. Looking for the top air duct cleaning service in your area. We would love to help you solve your headaches because we are specialists in air duct cleaning, HVAC, dryer vent cleaning. We are proud to be known as the top air duct cleaner in our county. And we are committed to having you as a satisfied client. We offer emergency air duct cleaning, emergency dryer vent cleaning 24/7. Give us a call today. We are looking forward to hearing from you.